The first day of this event was awesome. I really wasn't sure what to expect, and if I was to go back in time and tell myself, I definitely would be telling myself that this is money well spent for sure. I had a martial arts academy in Pennsylvania for 7 years, and I totally did so many wrong things that we talked about in terms of the hot buttons and those kind of things. I was guilty of all that, all those things. So I wish I would have had this 7 years ago for my business and martial arts business. However, I do have it now for the this exciting opportunity. And I was very impressed. I am very impressed on how the flow of the course and how you follow the agenda. The energy too. The energy is out of this world. It is a long day, and man, I slept like a rock last night. I felt like there was a ton of information, but trying to absorb it all, taking notes, and I'm just impressed with a lot of the different things that have gone on in terms of the hurricane, and power outages, etc. And you folks had everything in line in terms of things going wrong. How are we going to fix it? It was seamless, and I'm very impressed. I like the energy. I like how candid both you guys are, and I'm a big component of you know um, telling people what they need to hear, not what they want to hear, and being brutally honest. And that's going to help me in terms of grow my drone business. So um, I would recommend this course to anyone that is out there looking to get their drone business started. Even even if it was just anything other than a drone business, I think people could get a lot of benefit from this class. So thank you. I'm looking forward to day two and looking forward to learn even more.